Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this time let us talk about how to add mixed numbers with like denominators. So please come and learn this lesson. Okay, so what is mixed number? So mixed numbers consist of a whole number and proper fraction. Okay, so this is an example of mixed number. So these two beside the fraction, this 2 beside the fraction is what we call the whole number, and this 1/4 is what we call the proper fraction. Okay, so that is an example of mixed numbers. Okay, so we have steps in adding mixed numbers. Okay, so this is a guide for you student or pupils when you're about to add a mixed number. Okay, so step 1, convert the mixed number to improper fraction. Questions: how to convert, sir, the mixed number to improper fraction? Okay, so all you have to do is to multiply this the whole number with the denominator. So 5 times 3, that is 15. Then the product will add to the numerator, which is 1. Okay, again, so we'll just multiply the whole number with the denominator, then the product will add to the numerator. So that is why 5 times 3 is 15 plus 1, that is equals to 16 over 3. So next mixed number. So 7, multiply this to the denominator of 3, then add it with the numerator. Okay, so 7 times 3 is 21, then plus 1 is equals to 22 over 3. Okay? Okay, so step 2, add the fractions using the rules for addition. Okay, so this is the result in the previous slides after we convert the mixed number to improper fraction. So 16 over 3 plus 22 over 3. So we can now add the numerator, 16 and 22. Okay, so 16 and 22 over 3. Kung mapapansin nyo, dalawang yung denominator natin, which is 3. Isa na lang yung sinulat ko denominator kasi common sila. Next, we can proceed to additions of the numerator. So 16 plus 22, that is equals to 38 over 3. Then divide 38 by 3, that is equals to 12 and 2 over 3. Okay, so as simple as that. So I hope that you learned from this video presentation. Thank you for watching.